Enterprise Fleet Management offers two types of flexible maintenance programs to help keep your fleet vehicles running safely, smoothly, and efficiently. Both options feature great benefits. Check your agreement to see which program applies to you. Our full maintenance program provides convenience and assurance through a fixed monthly price that covers most of your fleet vehicle's maintenance and repairs needs. Brakes and tires are optional additions to the full maintenance program. You may want to check with your fleet manager prior to servicing brakes and tires. Our maintenance management program charges your company maintenance fees and expenses as they're incurred. With this coverage, each vehicle in your fleet has its own maintenance card with a self-authorization threshold assigned to it. When work is required, we'll negotiate pricing and pay for repairs, then provide you with a consolidated monthly invoice. No matter your maintenance program, use these tips to help you get the most out of it. Service your vehicles regularly. Use the maintenance alerts available through the client website and the eFleets mobile app to know when service is needed. Make appointments to minimize downtime. Understand the services you need to determine where to take your vehicle. For example, all warranty work should be taken directly to the dealer. When possible, use our preferred service partners. Listed online and in the mobile app, these vendors know our maintenance processes and use an electronic system to communicate with us for faster approvals. Ensure the maintenance facility sends Enterprise Fleet Management any bills. Don't pay for any maintenance or repairs directly. And contact emergency roadside assistance 24/7. Just call from the mobile app or call the number on your maintenance card. If your vehicle needs service, you can find the closest preferred service partner on the mobile app under Service Locator or under Find Locations Near You on eFleets.com. Then, simply identify yourself as an Enterprise Fleet Management customer and show your maintenance card located within the eFleets mobile app. Let the shop know why you're dropping your vehicle off and ask when it will be ready. Our service advisors are available to answer any questions the shop may have about your visit. When your vehicles are well maintained, they're safer, perform better, and driver downtime is kept to a minimum. Contact your client strategy manager if you have any maintenance program questions.